Welcome to our lesson on navigation and information architecture, a vital module in website design fundamentals for digital marketers. In today's digital landscape, a well-structured website guides users effortlessly to the content they seek. This lesson will explore strategies to organize website content logically while keeping user experience at the forefront. We'll cover key concepts, practical examples, and real-life case studies. By the end, you'll understand how effective navigation drives engagement and conversion, setting the stage for successful digital marketing campaigns. In this scene, we define navigation and information architecture. Navigation refers to the methods and tools that help users explore a website, while information architecture is the art of organizing content so that users find what they need intuitively. Clear definitions and key principles form the backbone of effective design. We'll break down concepts like hierarchy, labeling, and user flow. Understanding these fundamentals is essential for crafting user-centric websites that improve usability and satisfaction. Imagine Sarah, a small business owner, frustrated by confusing website layouts. Her ideal site would offer clear pathways to products, services, and support. In this scene, we share Sarah's journey from frustration to success after a redesign based on solid navigation principles. Through her story, we highlight common pitfalls in poor website structure and demonstrate how a thoughtful organization of content transforms user experience. This narrative sets the stage for understanding the real-world impact of strategic information architecture. Here we introduce a detailed sitemap diagram that illustrates how website pages interconnect. The chart displays main navigation categories and subpages, emphasizing logical grouping and hierarchy. This visual guide helps you understand how a well-organized website can reduce user effort. By mapping content through charts and diagrams, we reveal the process behind planning navigation structures. This scene reinforces that clear visual planning is key to creating a website where every visitor can find their destination effortlessly. Let's examine a real-life case study of a retail website that improved its conversion rates by restructuring its navigation. The redesign focused on simplifying menus, categorizing products intuitively, and incorporating a prominent search feature. We'll walk through the before and after scenarios, highlighting measurable improvements in user engagement and sales. This case study demonstrates how applying robust navigation principles directly translates to tangible business benefits, making it a valuable reference for designers and digital marketers alike. This scene dives into visual examples by showcasing screenshots of well-known websites recognized for their intuitive navigation. We'll explore features such as sticky menus, breadcrumb trails, and responsive design elements that enhance user experience. By analyzing these website references, you'll learn to identify best practices and common patterns in effective design. These examples provide concrete inspiration and a benchmark for developing navigation structures that are both attractive and functional. Datasets play a crucial role in shaping navigation strategies. In this scene, we review data on user behavior, such as click-through rates and heat maps, to inform design decisions. Real-world analytics can reveal which pages are most visited and where users drop off. This evidence-based approach helps refine menus and content placement. Incorporating data ensures that your design is not just creative, but also tailored to meet user needs. We illustrate how analyzing user data can lead to a more effective and user-friendly website structure. Here we explore another case study focused on a website that restructured its navigation based on user data and testing. The project involved A/B testing various layouts and monitoring changes in user behavior. By interpreting the data, designers identified bottlenecks and reimagined the structure to streamline user journeys. This case study underscores how data-driven insights can lead to significant improvements in website performance, resulting in enhanced user satisfaction and increased conversion rates. It's a clear example of theory meeting practice in the digital world. In this scene, we distinguish between hierarchical and sequential navigation systems. Hierarchical navigation organizes content into levels or tiers, ideal for large websites with diverse offerings. In contrast, sequential navigation guides users step by step through a process. useful in e-commerce checkouts or onboarding flows. We'll discuss when to use each method and the benefits they offer. Understanding these different approaches enables you to choose the right navigation model for your project, ensuring that users always know where they are and how to progress. Let's follow a designer's journey in reimagining a cluttered website. This narrative illustrates how the design thinking process, from empathizing with users to prototyping and testing, transformed an outdated navigation system. We'll highlight key moments of insight and decision-making, emphasizing the importance of user feedback. Through storytelling, you'll see how iterative improvement and creative problem-solving are essential for developing navigation that is both efficient and user-friendly. This story reinforces the idea that every design decision is rooted in real user needs. We now introduce a flowchart diagram that maps out the steps of content organization. This visual tool shows the process of categorizing, prioritizing, and linking website content. The flowchart breaks down complex navigation systems into manageable segments, making it easier to understand the logic behind the layout. By examining each step, you can learn how to create a coherent path that guides users naturally through the site. This methodical approach is critical for ensuring that every piece of content finds its appropriate place in the overall design. In this scene, we reference industry-leading websites renowned for their navigation design. We discuss best practices such as minimalism, consistency, and responsive design. Using website examples, we analyze features that ensure a seamless user experience. These references serve as benchmarks, inspiring you to incorporate proven strategies into your own designs. By comparing multiple approaches, you gain a deeper understanding of what works best in different contexts. This comparative analysis is essential for tailoring your navigation strategies to meet varied user expectations and business goals. Here we focus on how A/B testing and data analysis have been used to refine navigation layouts. We present a case where two navigation designs were tested against each other, discussing metrics such as user engagement, time on site, and conversion rates. This data-driven experiment illustrates how small changes in navigation can yield significant improvements. By reviewing real-life datasets and test results, you'll understand the importance of continuous iteration and feedback in achieving optimal website performance. This scene underscores the critical role of testing in digital design. Let's recap the core concepts of navigation and information architecture. We've defined key terms, explored various navigation models, and illustrated the benefits of data-driven design through real-life case studies. Our journey covered visual aids like sitemaps and flowcharts, and we discussed both hierarchical and sequential navigation. These lessons emphasize the importance of organizing content logically to enhance user experience and drive business success. This summary reinforces the foundational principles that will guide your future design decisions, ensuring clarity and ease of navigation. Effective website structure leads to improved user satisfaction, increased engagement, and higher conversion rates. Real-life applications include better search engine visibility, streamlined customer journeys, and a competitive edge in digital marketing. By implementing the strategies discussed, you're better equipped to create websites that are both visually appealing and highly functional. This practical understanding is invaluable for any digital marketer or website designer aiming to create an outstanding online experience. As we conclude, reflect on the journey through navigation and information architecture. The strategies, case studies, and data insights shared today are not merely theoretical. They are proven tactics that drive real-world success. Embrace these concepts to enhance your website design, improve usability, and boost overall digital performance. Now take action by applying these principles in your projects and share your successes. Thank you for engaging with this lesson. May your future designs be as effective and user-friendly as the concepts you've learned today.